How to log into Google Suite. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log in into your Google Suite, which is also your Google Workspace account. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video. For that, you can head over to a browser and go to Google Suite, type in that, and you'll be finding the very first link, that is workspace.google.com. Just go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you'll be taken to the space right here. So you can go and look out for this option called Get Started. Go ahead and tap on it. In order to sign in with the process, you need to enter your first name, your last name, and your email address and tap on Next. So here, go ahead and type in your first name, your last name, after that your email address. Here as well, just go ahead and type in that and then tap on Next. Once tapped on Next, you can look up for this question that says, does your business have a domain? So if you have one, you can choose one, or you can say, no, I don't need one right now. You can do that, and you can find a domain name for your business after that. After that, verify that you're not a robot. For that, you need to verify this CAPTCHA. And then you'll be finding different options available. So you can go ahead and choose up to one. And then once you've purchased, you'll be taken to your Google Workspace dashboard. And then that is it. Now you're logged into your Google Workspace account. So if this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you need anything else. And I will see you on the next one.